leadership, your leadership just brought under my attention that you are unhappy with the service delivery issues in Bumlani. Am I right? Okay, right. One of them is the fourth in the area. So, I commit myself today to say that we're going to clean the area, and that if they require a certain amount of people to assist in cleaning, then we will take that people that's on the database of the sub-council. But then I also want, if we do clean the area, then you must assist us in keeping the area clean. Please. Okay. Right. The second thing is about the housing. Okay. Right. Wait. I'm honest if I'm saying that I don't have the answers now regarding the housing concern. We agree now that the community leaders and the sub-council and the relevant housing officials will sit tomorrow. I'm going to town now. I will set up the meeting, and then tomorrow we will meet so that we can discuss the housing concern.